Most security cameras come with two major headaches. One, batteries that die right when you need them, and two, monthly subscription fees that never end. But what if you can delete both of those problems forever? This is a Eufy security camera S330 solar power. And as you can see, free, no monthly fee. Stop climbing ladders. This features an integrated solar panel. Just 2 hours of daily sunlight gives you the forever power. It's truly set it and forget it type of security. And then there's also 4K precision at night. Resolution matters when you need to identify a face or a license plate. So this isn't just HD, it's 4K Ultra HD. As you can see right here, you could plug it in, sync it. I like that with the security system, you can keep adding on more and handle it all within the click of your phone. I haven't set it up yet. Comes with this little box for easy setup. Here's the mount, the screws, and this. So if you are tired of your phone blowing up because a cat walked by, it has a bionic mind AI that learns to recognize your family and friends. So it filters out the noise and only alerts you when a true stranger is on your property. When I talk fast, I stutter. So yes, smart security that actually gets smarter over time. Again, 0 monthly fees. Most brands lock your own footage behind a paywall. With Eufy, your data stays local and encrypted. So it'll come with a 16 gigabyte built-in, and you can expand it up to a massive 16 terabyte. That is huge. Again, 4K detail, solar power, no subscription.